In the quest for health and vitality, the battle against processed carbohydrates and refined sugars rages on. These dietary culprits have been linked to a myriad of health issues, from diabetes to heart disease, prompting many to seek out alternatives that nourish the body and promote healing naturally. In this era of wellness enlightenment, a growing number of individuals are turning to a diet rich in low-carb, sugar-free foods to fuel their journey towards optimal health. As we embark on this exploration of wholesome eating, we unveil a treasure trove of nutrient-packed delights that tantalize the taste buds while nurturing the body from within. Say goodbye to empty calories, and hello to a vibrant array of nourishing options that will leave you feeling energized and revitalized. Our journey begins with the humble kale, a verdant powerhouse bursting with vitamins and minerals. This leafy green marvel not only quells inflammation but also serves as a beacon of vitality, offering a bounty of fiber without a hint of carbohydrates or sugars. Next up, we have eggs, nature's perfect protein parcel, brimming with essential nutrients that fuel cellular growth and repair without burdening the body with unwanted carbs. But the culinary adventure doesn't end there. Enter pecan nuts, a crunchy delight teeming with healthy fats and fiber, followed by the creamy indulgence of cheese, a veritable fountain of fat-soluble vitamins that nourish both body and mind. And let's not forget the lean allure of chicken and beef, providing a protein-packed punch that supports muscle development and cardiovascular health without a whisper of carbs or sugar. As we traverse the culinary landscape, we encounter the omega-3 rich bounty of salmon and the versatile marvel of coconut oil, both heralded for their myriad health benefits and utter lack of carbs or sugars. Meanwhile, the antioxidant-rich elixir of green tea beckons, inviting us to partake in its healing brew without fear of hidden sugars sabotaging our wellness journey. In our quest for culinary enlightenment, we discover the unexpected sweetness of watermelon, the anti-inflammatory prowess of cauliflower, and the brain-boosting magic of blackberries, all without a trace of sugar-induced guilt. And for those seeking a guilt-free sweetener, xylitol emerges as a natural alternative, offering all the sweetness of sugar without the metabolic aftermath. But perhaps our most potent allies in the battle against carbs and sugars are the humble herbs and spices that grace our plates with their vibrant flavors and healing properties. From the cooling embrace of mint to the golden glow of turmeric, these culinary heroes work tirelessly to nourish and heal, leaving us satiated in body and spirit. As we bid farewell to our culinary odyssey, let us carry forth the wisdom gleaned from our exploration of low-carb, sugar-free fare. Let us embrace the abundance of nature's bounty, savoring each bite as a testament to our commitment to health and vitality. And as we embark on this journey together, may we find joy in nourishing our bodies, minds, and souls, one delicious meal at a time. If you want to request a video with another topic about health, please let us know in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.